Today we have to start with our new lesson number 5, probability. In this lesson, probability, you have to start with new concepts. In this, first of all, you have to see what is the meaning of random experiment, what is the meaning of outcomes, and what is the meaning of equally likely outcomes. Step by step, you have to see each and everything. Random experiment means if I will take the one of the coin and if I will throw whatever I will did, that one is called as the random experiment. Means the definition of random experiment, the experiment in which all the possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is equal possibility for each result is known as the random experiment. Means random experiment means if you have the coin, you have to throw the coin, that one is the random experiment. If you have the die, at that time you have to throw that dice, that one is the random experiment. Then in this random experiment, you know that equal possibilities of coming outcomes. Means there are the equal possibility for each result is known as the random experiment. If I will throw the coin, at that time there are the two possibilities, head or tail. Means there are the equal possibility, either head will come or either tail will come. If I will throw the die, at that time there are the 6 possibilities, either 1 will come, either 2 will come, either 3 will come, either 4 will come, either 5 will come, or 6 will come. Means here you have to say that random experiment means tossing the coin and throwing the die. The die is called as the random experiment. So here again I will explain the experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is the equal possibility of each result is known as the random experiment. Everybody understand? And for example, tossing coin, throwing the die, then drawing the card from the well-shuffled pack of the 52 cards. Means if you have the pack of the cards, total number of cards are 52. If you will pick up one of the card, there are the equal possibility for picking the one card. Okay. Then here, this is the meaning of random experiment. Again I will explain this: tossing coin, throwing die, then drawing the cards from the well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Then you have to come to the next point. What is the meaning of outcomes? The definition of outcome is the results of the random experiment. If you will throw tossing the coin, at that time there will be the result, head will come, otherwise tail will come. So the definition of outcome is the results of the random experiment. The results of the random experiment, if you will do the random experiment, at that time whatever be the results of the random experiment will come, that one is called as the outcome. So by throwing the coin, we have the two possibilities. If we will throw the coin, throwing coin is the random experiment. And what is the result of the random experiment? Either head will come, otherwise either tail will come. Second example, throwing the die, we have the 6 possibility. Throwing the die is the random experiment, and whatever be the results will come, the results of the random experiment is called as the outcomes. So there are the 6 possibilities, 6 outcomes. Which are the outcomes? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Either 1 will come in front, either one will come in the face, 2 will come, 3 will come, 4 will come, 5 will come, or 6 will come. Means these are the outcomes of the random experiment. Then third example of the outcomes of the random experiment is a card is drawn randomly from the pack of the well-shuffled playing cards. Then if you will draw one of the card from the well-shuffled playing cards of the 52, that well-shuffled playing cards, there are the 52 cards in a pack showing below, and these 52 cards, there are the 52 cards in the pack of the well-shuffled cards. So you have to say that total cards are 52, and these cards are distributed like this. In the pack of the card, if that holds the 52 cards, they are distributed like this. in that 26 red cards are there and 26 black cards are there. It will properly see the color and each and everything on that card at that time. Within these 52 cards, 26 cards are the red cards and 26 cards are the black cards. And again these 26 cards, the red cards are distributed into two parts, 13 heart card and 13 diamond card. And these 26 black cards again divided into two parts, 13 card of club and 13 card of the spade. In this way, these 26 cards are divided in the 13 heart, 13 diamond, and these 26 black cards are divided into 13 club and 13 spade. Everybody understand? Again, I will say that in each set, in this each set of the diamond heart card, which cards they are included are, which cards are there, that you have to say. In each set of the 13 cards, that include the king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and what you have to say? Don't say 1, you have to say ace card, ACE. Then the king, queen, jack is called as the face card. The cards which are pictured by the king, queen and the jack, that one is called as the face card. In each pack, in each pack of the cards, 4 cards of the king, queen and jack are there. So the 4 cards here, this pack of the 52 cards includes the 4 cards of the king, 4 cards of the king, 4 cards of the queen, 4 cards of the jack. Like that, this face card include. Means total face cards are 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are what? 12. 12 face cards are there. Ace cards. This is the ace card of the heart. This is the ace card of the diamond. This is the ace card of the club, and this is the ace card of the spade. Ace card of the spade. In this way, these 52 cards are distributed like this. Again, I will explain. These 52 cards are divided into 26 red, 26 black card. These 26 red cards are divided into 13 heart card, 13 diamond card. These 26 black cards are divided into 13 club card and 13 spade card. And again, these 36 card include the king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and ace card. Then you have to come to the next point, equally likely outcome. What is the meaning of equally likely outcome? If the die is thrown, if this die you will throw, any of the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 may appear on the upper face. In the upper face, out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any one of the number will appear. That time you have to say that it means that each number is equally likely to occur. Means there are total 6 possibility. Out of this 6 possibility, if any one of the number will come in the upper face, that one is called as equally likely outcomes. All of you understand? These are the 4 points. First point is the random experiment, second point is the outcomes, and third point is the equally likely outcomes. So properly try to understand each and everything, and you have to write all these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.